Hey everyone, we've got another SAT English problem here today, and the first thing we're going to do is read the question, which I've underlined in red. The question states, which choice best states the main idea of the text? Main idea indicates that we're looking for essential ideas or details problem, and if you want to take a look at some of our other question types, you can keep watching this playlist. Let's get to this video. Our answer choices are as follows, and I've underlined the word choices in white. Alright. A, the mass production of the bicycle in the late 19th century made it safer for people to use. B, the popularity of the bicycle in the late 19th century gave rise to the first cycling clubs. C, the affordability of the bicycle in the late 19th century made it the preferred way to travel. And D, the widespread adoption of the bicycle in the late 19th century provided new opportunities for people. I'm going to write those out in a more simpler fashion. This is a good strategy to use when you don't want to read a lot of words at once on your SAT. So I can summarize this in one word. I can just say safer. It's offering for safer. This one I can just say clubs. It's advocating for clubs. This one is travel. This one is opportunities. Now, there's something that I can quickly eliminate from every single one of these as just being completely unimportant, and that is basically this entire phrase right here. Why can I eliminate that? Because every single answer choice has it, which means that it's not a crucial part of the question. Now, let's take a look at the passage itself. Bicycles were first mass-produced, that correlates to A, kind of, see? Mass-produced, in the late 19th century throughout Europe and North America, allowing individuals remarkable freedom to travel, supporting C, longer distances quickly and comfortably. This freedom, coupled with the affordability of the vehicle, also supporting C, made the bicycle immensely popular. It's going to B. Now, individuals were able to live further from their workplaces. That's for D, that's another opportunity. Visit neighboring towns, another opportunity. And participate in new leisure and sport activities, another D. Bicycling quickly became a popular social endeavor, D, with enthusiasts forming local cycling clubs, that would also go to B, but could also be thought of as a D question, as that is another opportunity, to enjoy newfound activities with others. So let's take a look at this. Well, we don't really see any evidence in this question that the bicycle was any safer. That might be true, but it's not in this passage and it doesn't really support the main idea of this text, so it can't be A. Let's take a look at B. There's some evidence for B, right here and right here. But the thing is, this is a little bit conflicting because it doesn't really strongly support as a main idea. We notice we've got a lot more D's around here than we have B's. All right, we've got a lot more activities, a lot more opportunities for people. So I don't think it's B because it's not the main idea of the text. It might be an idea of the text, but it's not the main idea of the text. As we look at C, we have basically just one word or one sentence about travel, so that's probably not it for the same reason. But when we look at D, we just see all these widespread adoptions. And this widespread adoption and new opportunities, it's just completely woven throughout this text. We've got opportunities like this, 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 and the list just goes on. So when we're answering these central ideas or details questions, what we really want to look at is which opportunity or which answer choice is spread through the entire part of the text. Okay, this phrase widespread adoption is actually kind of interesting because it echoes one of the key things that we need in a central ideas question, widespread. I would call this question a pretty easy question, maybe somewhere in the middle here.